Changing your primary email on Fidelity is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Fidelity account. Visit the Fidelity website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the profile or account settings section, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, find the email preferences or contact information option to view your current email addresses. Step 4. Update your primary email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your email, ensure you save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at a new address to verify the update. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Fidelity. Keeping your contact information current is important for account security and communication.